to my channel. It's Kira Jai here. I just got done washing my hair and dyeing it jet black. So now I'm just blow drying it, and I'm using the RevAir. So it was a gift from me from my boyfriend. So now I'm about to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I already did this back section, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and record it since I haven't made a video in a while. So I know I'm looking crazy, you guys. This is just a regular day at home doing my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the rest of it. And let's see here. I have it on number 2 on the settings. So hey guys, so this is how it's looking. I like for it to get really straight. Not, as straight as I can get it with this because I don't want to put too much heat with the iron. So I am straightening it for my birthday, but my birthday's not until, oh sorry, my dog was eating something. My birthday's not until next Friday, so I'm gonna leave it blow dry for a couple days. I'm trying to make sure all the product is out. So what I'm using, it feels like there's still some leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I really hope not. But what I'm using is this as my heat protectant, and it smells really, really good. I'm gonna keep blow drying this one section because it still feels a little weird. So one sec. I really hope there's no conditioner in this. It feels like there is some, especially at the roots. I hate when my hair is way down or feels like conditioner's doing it. I only did this section, so I could stop and rinse my hair out. Let me see. So I really do not feel like it feels okay. And so I like to take little pieces. I love the RevAir. I feel like it takes down my blow drying time a lot. But one thing I don't like is really bulky. So it's like, this gets heavy. So, yeah. So now I'm just spraying. And this stuff smells really, really good, guys. Really, oh, I'm breathing in. But it smells really, really good. It smells like fruity. Like a fruity scent. Okay, so my video cut out. Anyway, you guys, I just finished blow drying this, and I'm really gonna just do the same thing all over my head. So I'm gonna come back when it's done. I'm just gonna go over this a little bit because it's a little bit wet still. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid this section up. I have 4 sections, just so you know, my hair is split into 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, braid this section up. Alright. So I just want to braid this section up and move on to the next section. Alright guys, so I finished the back section. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this section. I really hope I got all the conditioner out, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, so I'm going to part off a section of hair, which you guys already seen me do. And I got something on my mouth. Anyway, so now I'm going to take my heat protectant, spray this section down pretty good. I'm going to brush it out and then turn on my machine. Apart. Let's see. Okay, so that's how it's looking right now. I'm going to part off some more hair, and I'm only going to show you guys this side because I've been doing this, I don't know, just this repetitive, so I don't want to make the video too long. Anyway, so now I'm just going to brush out the sections again. Spray it down with the thermal protectant. And then turn on the machine. Straight I got it on number 1. I'm sorry, number 2. So this is how straight it got. I feel like it would get a lot straighter if I turned up the heat to like maybe 5. So I may go over it again on 5 and see. I might just try peace on 5. So let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is go over this piece here on number 5. Let's say number 4.
It got a lot straighter on number 4.
Okay, you guys, so I'm finished with this section. I'm just braiding it up, and then I'm gonna move on to the next 2 sections I have over here, and then yeah, and then we'll be done. So I'm not gonna straighten it today. Today I'm just blow drying it, and I'm just loving this black. Like, my hair looks a lot healthier. My hair also feels a lot healthier. Like, it feels really, really soft. Okay, so I'm gonna get another scrunchie, and yeah, that's it for this side. So I'll come back when I'm done with the back, and I'll show you when I'm done. But this is it. Okay, you guys, I'm on my last section. So this is the last one. Go ahead and finish that off, and then braid it up like the rest of these sections, and I'll be back. I would record it, but I don't have that much room left on my phone. So yeah, guys, I'll be back when I finish this side. Okay, you guys, I just finished blow drying this side of my hair as well. I do feel like there's some conditioner still in this top piece right here though, so I may rinse that out and re-blow dry it, because it's, yeah, it feels like there's conditioner in it. But anyway, I am done. Okay, so that'll be all for today. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell if you want to you know, see more videos of me. I know I don't post often. Okay, so that's the end of this video for today. I am going to get my hair straightened closer to my birthday. My birthday is next Friday, so I'll probably get my hair straightened next Wednesday or Thursday. So thanks for watching, guys.